So, like, we can go, right?
Well, you walk out in front of the bird, so.
Okay, cool. So, my name is Sam. Yes, Sam. My name is Gracie with an I-E-G-A. And my name is Emma with an I-E-G-A. And so... Broderick, stop doing that! On the block. Okay, so... Stop! So, Broderick, stop! On the blood, stop!
Please! You've been laughing for 8 hours. Please, just end this.
Okay, so our presentation is on child development. Yeah, child development. So I'm gonna name my kid Bella with an I-E-G-A. Yeah, you have to. So our topic is from the Philippine News. Yeah, Philippine News. And it says that irang asong iro rumais sa harap ng mensyo. Nung tinaboy, jumakyat sa hagdan ni Malu, hindi ko alam kanino irong aso. And to be translated, it says that a dog has poop on the front of Menchie's house without knowing. And when she finally got rid of it went upstairs on Malu's stairs. Yeah, Malu's stairs.
Emma, will you actually report or something?
It's Emma with an I-E-G-H.
Okay, Emma, with an IEGH, just proceed to your presentation.
Okay, so... Broderick, stop doing that! Oh, my bad!
I'm not even doing anything.
Gaslight me, Broderick.
Oh, bad. Okay, you get an A. I'm done.